Welcome. I would like to share with you a story about a homeowner named Sarah. Sarah was hesitated to start a renovation project because she was worried about the disruption it will cause. She had a young child, a busy job, and didn't want to have to deal with the hassle of living in a construction zone. But Sarah eventually decided that the benefits of renovation a home outweighed the inconvenience of the construction. She worked with a general contractor to develop a plan that would minimize the disruption of her daily life. The contractor was able to schedule the work so that it will be done during the summer when Sarah's child will be out of school. They also agreed to keep the noise level to a minimum and to clean up the worksite daily. As a result of careful planning and execution, Sarah's renovation project went off without a hitch. She was able to stay in her home during the construction, and she only experienced a minimum amount of disruption. At the end of the project, she was thrilled with the results. Her home was beautiful and she was able to enjoy it without any regret. My name is Carlos Herrero, and my team and I have helped hundreds of homeowners to successfully remodel their homes and avoid major disruption. In the next few minutes, I am going to share with you exactly what you need to do to avoid disruption so that you can be well prepared and avoid uncomfortable situations. First, let's talk about the statistics. A recent poll found that 70% of homeowners are afraid of the disruption caused by a home renovation. And of those homeowners, 40% said that the disruption was so bad that they regret starting the renovation in the first place. So why are homeowners so afraid of the disruption? Here are four main reasons. Number one, living with dust and noise, unforeseen delays, power outage, and no water. Now that we know the main fears are, let's talk about the exact steps you need to take to avoid disruption. As step number one, you want to create a demand list for your general contractor or project manager to include setting weekly goals, daily cleanup, a lot of communication, transparency, and anything else that is a priority to you. As step number two, you want to go ahead and interview, go over your demand list, and hire the GC or project manager that you feel are the best fit based on your experience. Never price. Step number three, review and verify the detailed scope of work with your project manager. Step number four, review and verify the material list to be used in your project with your project manager. Step number five, review and verify the schedule. And step six, make sure that all the chosen workers are experienced and reliable. One bad decision can create a domino effect and delay the entire project. Step seven, communicate as much as possible with your project manager and make sure to make quick decisions for anything that arises. Step 8, enjoy your new home. I hope these steps help you to ease your fears about home renovation. Remember, there are ways to minimize the disruption, and with a little planning and a lot of communication, you can have a successful renovation that doesn't disrupt your daily life too much. If you are ready to start planning your home renovation, I encourage you to contact me. I'll be happy to help you to create a plan that minimizes the disruption and meets your needs. For more information, send us a message at homeremodelmiami.com. Thank you for watching.